Just bacon from Max's Market, chicken from Max's Market, a little salt, a little pepper, nothing else. Just fry it. Just let it do its thing. You don't add anything special to it. Just a little salt, a little pepper. Let the skin, let the fat, let all that in there. That's all good juices that'll all cook it down and all fry together. Got all that good fat on there. It's good for your joints. Help your back. Help your muscles. Probably good for your arthritis. I'm not a doctor, but I did have a brownie last night. It's also been told that this helps the coronavirus, so just a thought. So if you got the corona, this more or less will cure it. Getting ready to go to Orlando, Florida. Just making some coronavirus ass kicking food. Just joking, Jesus Christ.